Today we'll go over the differences between an elbow and a bend fitting and reasons why you might pick one over the other depending on the situation. First, let's take a look at the obvious visual differences between the two. An elbow has a sharp defined angle which you can notice most on the inside of the fitting. Using a 90-degree elbow as an example, you can clearly see that the inside is bent at a right angle. On the other hand, a bend has a gradual curve with no sharp angle. That said, the ends will still face out at the same angle as their elbow counterpart. Now on to how they function differently. An elbow with the same pipe diameter as a bend is clearly more compact and is made up of less plastic and therefore cheaper. The downside to using elbows is that because of the sharp angle, they create much more head loss in your system. By that we mean as the fluid comes into the fitting, it hits the interior wall of the fitting head on, creating turbulence and a loss of pressure within the fluid before it then exits the fitting. On the other hand, because of a bend's smooth design, the turbulence is reduced, as when the fluid enters the fitting it gradually has its direction changed, meaning there is minimal friction and therefore the system retains a lot more pressure. In conclusion, choosing which is suitable for you comes down to whether it's more important for your system to retain pressure and velocity, or you need it to remain as compact as physically possible. Well, that's everything. Thanks for watching, and for both elbow and bend fittings for all types of pipe systems, please head to our website here, or if you'd like more info, give us a call on this number.